GcWord's object model is based on the Microsoft Office API, Word JavaScript API, and Open XML SDK. With GcWord, you can create, load, edit, save, and convert Word documents in .NET Standard 2.0 apps with 0 dependencies on Microsoft Word. In this video, we'll walk through adding a paragraph of text using GcWord. We'll also add character formatting to different parts of the paragraph. Make sure you have the necessary namespaces included in your project. In this example, we'll use a combination of a set of random words from the util-dot-cs file. First, copy a paragraph of text. Create a GcWordDocument object. Add the paragraph to the first section range of the document's body. The primary way to manipulate objects in GcWord is using ranges. Get the range on the paragraph that we've just added. A run is a contiguous fragment of a document with uniform formatting. In our case, we only have one run so far, so get that run. Set the size of the font on the whole run. Text represents a contiguous fragment of text. It also belongs to a run and cannot span multiple runs, although a run can contain several texts. Get the text object. Split the text into two halves. Here, the split method returns the second part. At this point, our run contains two texts, or two halves of the original text. We'll now split the run into two corresponding runs. A text-containing run can always be accessed via parent run. We set the font of the first half to italic, and the font of the second half to a red 4-color. Save the Word file. Run the project, and the Word file is generated in your project. Open the Word file. The first half of the paragraph is italic, while the second half is red. For more tutorials, videos, and code samples, visit our blog.